Hi friends, in this tutorial we will see once you install MySQL Workbench and when you are trying to connect, so connection name is test, so connection method is TCP IP and this is localhost and root. So when I'm trying to connect, so this is the exception I am getting, fail to connect to MySQL at 127.0.0.1 colon 36, sorry 3306. So this is the issue, so oftenly few people will face. So let's see why you are getting this. So for this, go to the place where you have downloaded your installer. My computer downloads, so this is my download. So this is the installer I have downloaded. So right click on this and run. So wait for a few seconds. So click yes. Click yes. Now here, so go to here and so where you need to, so click there. Now here if you look at this, so this is TCP/IP and 3306 and select next. Here you need to specify your MySQL password. So password is root, so previous back. If you go to this, so here, so the port is 3306 and my, so pipe name and memory name is MySQL and next, click next. So MySQL root and retype the password, so root. Now add the user, so it's saying weak password, no issues. Next. Now, so it will comes like this. Next and execute. So what, so if you are getting this exception, so fail to connect to MySQL at 120, so 127.0.0.1 with user root, then what you need to do is go to the installer where you have downloaded. Again I'm saying, so downloads, so double click this one and after that it will use the installer. There select the server and configurations. So after that we have done these things. See, everything is done. Now finish. So see here, MySQL installer. So reconfigure. So we have already done. So now, so everything is done. Let me go to now here. Now connect. So test, connect. So see, root. Now it's connected. Mysql. So here it is there. Anything else? So click it here. Now test. So my connection is test TCP/IP and these are the things. Default schema test and test connection. So now it's giving. So test. Yeah. happened. One second. Okay, this is the one there, right? Let me close this. My SQL workbench. So this is the one. See? See, it's connected now. So if you are getting this error, so first step is go to the installer where you have downloaded, and after that configure your username and password. So this will solve your issue. See, I'm able to log in. Hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you.